Hey guys, it's Juan Zuniga. And he is.
So today's pretty cool. So as you guys know, we're working on the new launch coming up. So we just got a bunch of collars for the tees. Our t-shirts.
Colors, not collars.
Collars. Damn, colors.
Like
colors.
Collard greens.
Colors.
If you guys know what I'm talking about.
What is it?
The Office.
I don't remember this.
Remember collard greens? He said colored greens. It doesn't make sense, Kevin. I mean, Stanley.
It's collard greens.
It doesn't really make sense because you don't call them collared people. That's offensive.
I was like,
I'll put a little clip.
I was gonna put crickets. I'm like, okay. So we have a bunch of colors, and I'm gonna model them all, so you guys can decide what our next two variances are gonna be. So obviously, white and black. That's always standard.
Those are always going to be the basics that are always going to stay.
And you might as well buy like 5 of each because I mean, they're like the sexiest, right? Yeah. But we are gonna probably discontinue the burgundy. This was the previous color, and this gray, and replace it with 2 new colors just to refresh it up a bit.
That's the cool thing about our launches. Black and white, like we said, is always going to be a staple.
It's an essential.
Essential, but the other 2 colors we're always going to change. So after this launch, we probably won't make this in maybe, if we ever make it, it will be a few years.
It's pretty much limited edition.
Exactly.
Like it'll only be for this launch. So that's why we want to see what you guys think of these colors. So there's some that I can already tell I won't like, but who knows? Maybe when I throw it on, it's different.
Yeah.
So let's just go through these real quick. All right, color number 1.
I like that blue.
Got a navy blue right here.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, this is not the same fabric we use. This is just like a sample fabric, just to sample the color, not the actual fit and fabric.
I actually like that color. I mean, we had the blue one, the electric blue. Some people like this, but I think
it was too much.
This one looks nice.
This is more of an essential.
Yeah, I like this one.
Next color.
I actually
color number 2.
Don't mind that one. That's very summery, spring summery color.
I think if you're especially an olive or a dark skin tone color, these bright colors look really, really good on you. And we haven't done anything for darker color guys like myself, so
yeah, I like that color.
Might be good, right?
Yeah.
Next color. All right, color number 3.
I like it.
Army green. This is a color I wanted.
If you would have had your Porsche, that would have matched nicely.
That would have been so sexy. But I definitely want this color. What do you guys think?
Definitely. I mean, if we don't do it this launch, definitely one of the launches.
Next color.
Yeah, for fall better. Yeah.
Could be. All right, color number 4.
This, in my opinion, I like it.
It's like a teal.
No.
Or like a washed blue.
It's like a slate blue type, like a gray blue.
I like this one.
I like it. It's like a gray blue.
All right, next color. All right, color number 5.
It actually doesn't look bad when it's on.
Not bad, right?
Not bad, but it's more like a fall color, not spring.
Yeah, I think fall color.
You know.
All right, so these next couple ones, like this one, like as soon as I don't like that color.
I don't mind it.
It's just too bold. Like there's a line, you know.
Yeah.
Like this one, like,
now all those are left. I don't like that one.
You look like a highlighter.
Yeah, I don't like that one. That one looks like the one we already
This
have.
one's the one that we're discontinuing.
Yeah,
you have it on right here. Boom. You see it? It's basically the same
color.
Next up, we have this.
This one's too bright.
This is like brighter than the first one we had.
Yeah.
The first one was pretty electric. This is like.
Yeah, that's too much.
We're gonna pass that one.
I don't like that green. That looks like
a lemon.
Puke green.
This mustard one. This one could be nice. Let's try this one.
Okay.
So far we have 5 runner up. We have
those
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be number 6. Mustard.
I don't mind. Not bad.
Mustard.
In the bag, it looks different.
Okay, make fun of you.
Yeah, that's a personal problem. People make fun of you all the time for anything. But
you're just easy to make fun of.
I like it.
All right, that one down. Let's go through the rest of the pack. So we got 5 colors in the mix right now. We're only gonna choose 2, and we need your help for it. So what you can do is number them on a poll and see which one people vote. This one.
Now we had a great melange already.
I'd rather have a dark melange, light melange.
Yeah.
It looks too. I don't know. I don't like it.
That's like
highlighter.
Yeah. And down.
Nah. Honestly,
so these 5.
It's in between these 5 colors, and we need you guys to help us out.
So yeah, I'll basically name them navy, brick, blue gray, army green, salmon, mustard.
Mustard. That works.
Yeah, that way it'll be easier for you guys to choose which one you like. Let's give him an office tour.
Yeah.
You want to talk anything else about the shirts?
No, I'm good.
We're good on that? All right.
Yeah.
So let's give him an office tour.
So yeah, we've never done one of these, and we've been holding on to doing one of these because, well, as you can see, the office is a freaking mess.
It's a mess, yeah, because we're moving things around, we're building things, everything's moving and changing all the time. And as you can see, Jose's kind of like a slob, so he just throws everything there. You know, after he records or anything.
So let's start from the outside.
So first,
You come in.
there's a sign, so do
Only we
not
park
park in our parking spot, because you get towed. Then, we tinted the front windows, mirror, so nobody can see, because we kept on having people trying to peek in. So now nobody can peek in, nobody can see, and it helps inside too with my sister, because she's sitting right there. The sun doesn't hit her. We own these 2 units, plus a unit in the back.
So we come in through here.
So we go in through here. My sister sits there. That's an empty spot.
I sit here.
Jose and I sit over there, and as you guys can see, we have like a collection of YouTube plaques. And if you guys have been following the Spanish channel, Estilo de Hombre, we have what, 160,000 subscribers already. So that plaque is gonna go right here,
Right in the middle, baby.
right in the middle.
So this is our main office workstation.
Play area. Yep, he doesn't know how to play basketball.
That was a good form though. You saw that.
Yeah. Okay.
So this back here was going to be a bathroom and a kitchen, hence the mess you see right now. We had a couple problems, so basically we had to tear all that down.
Yeah.
And we're gonna rent this back unit, which will take you to there, and we're building it back there. So that's why there's a mess, right?
Yeah. Then we go through here.
This
and
is our second unit.
This unit, we're gonna make it into like a conference room, lounge area, but you know, everything for that kitchen and that bathroom is here. You know,
Yeah,
as you
so
can
all
see
that
there.
bathroom, kitchen cabinets, etc.
So yeah, it's a mess here. Some drywall.
And they're
there.
still building that now, so all this is just here, and we can't design this as our conference room like we want because, well, there's a freaking mess. Next up,
where the magic happens.
I was about to say that.
It's not the bedroom.
I know. It was supposed to be a joke. No, this is where all the videos are recorded. Obviously, sound padded, as you can see.
All over the place.
This
are all the backdrops. So there's blue,
There's about 5
light gray,
different colors.
dark gray, yellow,
and we can
orange.
just bring them down with ease here. And in case you don't remember, like, this is such a huge leap for us because when we first started, it was such a pain in the butt recording. You guys probably never think of this stuff, but when we first started, it was in our living room. So we literally moved all our living room stuff, put up a portable paper stand, slid the paper stand, then when I was done, put all that back together, put it in our room. Like, it was such a, just to record one video.
Yeah.
So this is like, trust me, I never take this for granted. This is such a big thing and why we're able to produce so much content. But actually, I think I have a clip.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up right now.
That's a time lapse. That was a process before. Now we have this. So literally we cut it in half, right? This is the TMF side. Boom,
Right
the
here.
papers. That's the Genstech side
That's
with the
where you
backdrop and
see
stuff.
the little canvases that you guys been asking
So
for.
the cool thing here is, check this out. Right? So
Everything's connected to one switch and that surge
correct.
protector right
so
there.
if you come back here, I don't know if you can tell, there's a switch. We leave, we turn it off. When we're ready, turn it on. Lights go on automatically, so does the camera. And
we have that screen up there,
boom.
as you can see.
So
we
hey,
can
what's up, you guys? I can see myself. That's pretty awesome.
see what's going on. Yep.
Yo, I actually like this color.
I'm telling you, it's nice.
I really
very
like
nice.
it. Huh.
What do you guys think, really? We need your help.
So this is where Juan sits and does his tech reviews and
Yeah, any
all
other,
that
and
product
you've
shop.
used
I've used
it
it
too.
for my watch collection.
Yeah,
have
you
the
can see-
beautiful AMG, and when we had the Porsche, which I think soon we'll get another Porsche, hopefully.
Or should we just change it to the GTR?
What do you mean? Nah, that piece of crap. This is the closet. Ignore the mess. I just recorded like a full outfit lookbook and freaking mess.
Crap is always like this.
What is? I swear, bro. Do you guys understand how? Like, I did one time 32 outfits. I was looking at that video.
That was a pain.
Do you understand how hard it is to change in and out of clothes 32 times to take pictures, videos, then change pictures? That's a pain. So usually when you're done with that, the closet ends up a mess, and I have to clean it. All right, so now we're going into unit number 3.
This was basically our first unit. This is where we started.
This is where
You
this
know,
was the first office.
We sat on that table. This was what began everything. Where everything began.
Correct. This unit.
in
But
this
now,
unit.
when we moved back there, because we wanted extra sunlight, we turned this into the warehouse where we're housing the shirts. And now, since the next.
Okay, that door is messed up because this guy had like a temper tantrum and kicked it. So
I
Pardon
lost
the
all my
noise.
video files. I had recorded like 4 videos. I lost it. But not the point. The point was, so now our inventory is gonna be like 6x'd, something like that. So
6
it's gonna
times the amount.
it's gonna be a ton of inventory. It's not gonna fit in here. So we're gonna rent the side unit, and that's where we're gonna take it now. So they're still working inside, and this is a little bit messy, but this is unit number 4.
All right. So as you can see, still. And it's a mess. But this is going to be where the bathroom is at. The complete frame. So basically, the shower is gonna go there.
Yeah.
Toilet is gonna go there. Vanity is gonna go here.
Other side.
And this other side will be the kitchen. And the kitchen will basically go countertop. And then a sink right there. And then a door is gonna be there so we can go to the other side.
And then there's gonna be a huge cutout here that
For
takes you
more inventory to the other
warehouse.
side.
This will be all inventory.
Yeah, all this will be gone by the time we move.
Bro, this guy looks like a swing,
Wait,
bro.
because I didn't put fast yet.
So we're doing this.
What the heck?
What the hell are you doing?
Nah, bro.
But that's the way to do it.
What are you doing?
That's what it's all about right there. See how it gets bigger?
What are you doing?
Hey, Thomas, 90 degrees. You're right here. You're right here.
The Q-tip?
Jose, show us how you dance, Jose.
I just did.
Hispanic music. Put some Hispanic music.
Put some Hispanic music.
Put some Hispanic music.
No, I'm not dancing. I'm not dancing.
Why?
I need to get back to work.
Why?
I don't even finish videos, bro.
What would you do?
Boom. Let's do it.
All right, guys. I hope. What the heck is that?
You guys are always annoying me. You guys don't.
Nobody cares about your schedule.
Well, you need to know.
Just be here every day, and we won't have an issue.
It's like it's random. Some days she's here, some days she's
I
not.
know.
So.
This morning, I'm like, "Where's Maria?" And then Jose's like, "Where is Maria?" Like, where is she? I was like, "I don't know." And then Thomas is like, "Where is Maria?" I was like, "I don't know. We've been, I don't know."
Hey Juan, why are you wearing a hat? This dude looks like a porcupine.
Okay, the reason that I'm wearing a hat is because I did a hair treatment on my hair. Okay, so I wanted to do, you know, straighten it out a little bit or whatever, but it came out like this. Now, it should go back to normal in a few days, but in the meantime, you're gonna see me with a hat. So hopefully next time I record another video, it's gonna be normal.
This dude looks like Zoolander. He tried so hard to look like a model, he ended up looking like Zoolander.
Oh, do you think so?
But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we were postponing the office tour because
We
it's a
want to
mess.
have it complete and show you, but you know what?
It's cool.
No, it's better. You can see the before and after.
Because once we have it like decked out, we're gonna do an office tour 2.0.
Yeah, and just that bathroom is gonna look sick.
Hopefully.
It's gonna look sick. And now you can do a lot of videos there in the bathroom. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think. Remember to check out the poll. Let us pick the next 2 colors and be part of the whole process. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Peace.